ARA Diagnostic Imaging is hiring. They're looking for a remote medical call center agent, scheduler, to join their growing team. This is a fantastic opportunity to work from the comfort of your home while helping people access important healthcare services. In this role, you'll be scheduling imaging appointments for patients, communicating with referring physicians, and ensuring everything runs smoothly so patients get the care they need. It's all about making a difference while staying connected to the healthcare field from your own space. Before we dive into all the details, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss updates on amazing remote job opportunities like this one. Your support means a lot and helps us keep bringing you great content. Also, feel free to share this video with someone you know who might be interested in working remotely. Now, back to the job. Let's talk about what you'll actually be doing in this role. As a scheduler, your main responsibility is to help patients book their imaging appointments. You'll be answering calls, gathering all the necessary information, and making sure everything is set up for a seamless experience. Whether it's explaining procedures, giving preparation instructions, or coordinating with doctors to get the right paperwork, you'll be the go-to person for making sure patients are ready for their exams. On top of that, you'll handle some administrative tasks like updating patient records, checking insurance details, and monitoring task lists to resolve any scheduling issues. Don't worry if this sounds like a lot. The company provides training and support to set you up for success. Oh, and did I mention? This is a fully remote position. All the equipment you need will be provided, so you just need a reliable high-speed internet connection at home. It's a great option for anyone looking to work independently while staying connected to a meaningful career. As you can see from their website, ARA doesn't mention the pay in their listing, but based on similar roles in the industry, this position likely pays no less than $25 per hour. That's a solid rate, especially for a job where you're working remotely and saving on commuting costs. Of course, pay can depend on your experience, so it's always a good idea to discuss details during the hiring process. To qualify, you'll need at least a high school diploma or GED. The company prefers candidates with 1 to 3 years of experience in a healthcare or high-volume call center environment. If you know a bit about medical terminology, especially related to radiology, that's a big plus. They're looking for someone with excellent customer service skills, attention to detail, and the ability to multitask like a pro. You should also be comfortable using tools like spreadsheets, data entry systems, and word processors. Typing at least 25 words per minute is also important for this role. If you're someone who loves staying organized, solving problems, and working in a supportive team environment, even remotely, this job might be the perfect fit for you. This isn't just another remote job. It's a chance to work with a respected company in the healthcare industry, helping patients get the care they need while enjoying the flexibility of working from home. ARA Diagnostic Imaging values teamwork, positivity, and results, so you'll be part of a culture that encourages growth and success. If this job sounds like a good fit, I highly encourage you to apply. And while you're here, don't forget to check out our other videos about remote job opportunities and visit our website for even more openings. We've got something for everyone, whether you're looking for full-time, part-time, or freelance roles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on new remote job updates. We'll see you in the next video.